Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your TON deposit address on Bybit. Bybit is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to trade and manage various digital assets, including TON. TON deposit address is a unique identifier used to receive and store TON coin on this platform. Finding and copying your TON deposit address on Bybit is a crucial step in receiving and managing your assets secretly. In this guide, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of locating and copying your TON deposit address on Bybit. So guys, just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Bybit account, tap on your Bybit app to open it. So let me do that right away. So guys, once your Bybit app opens up and you've logged in into your Bybit account, so guys, now the next step you have to take now is to make sure you tap on Exchange. You can see Exchange at the top. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see welcome to Bybit. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where it is written deposit/buy with fiat/P2P. So guys, now you can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. You can see what's written here, select payment method. So guys, now the one you have to go for is the last option where it is written deposit with crypto. You can see it right there, deposit crypto. So guys, the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now right here, what you have to do now is to make sure crypto is selected. You can see at the top there, crypto is selected. You can see it there. So guys, now after that, what you have to do now is to search for TON. You have to search for TON, and for you to do that, you have to tap on the search icon at the top. You can see the search icon there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to type in TON. So let me type it TON. So guys, now you can see my search result right there. You can see the logo, you can see there TON. So guys, what you have to do now is to select it. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it to select it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, choose a chain type. So guys, what that means is choose a network. You have to choose the right network. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see TON. TON is the right network. Make sure you select TON. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see what's written here, notice the minimal deposit amount is 0.00001 TON. If your deposited amount is less than the minimal requirement, the funds will not be added to your available balance, nor will it be refunded. To ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the TON deposit address and also the TON deposit memo/tag when making a deposit. Failure to do so may result in loss of funds. Please confirm that you are depositing TON to this address on the TON network. Mismatched address information may result in the permanent loss of your assets. So guys, this information is a very important information. You can see they say you should ensure that you copy not just only your TON deposit address but also your TON deposit memo or tag. That's very important. Most persons just copy their TON deposit address without copying their TON deposit memo. Your TON deposit memo is actually important for you to successfully carry out your transaction. So guys, now let me tap on OK. I will show you guys that in my next page. Let me tap on OK. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your TON deposit address on Bybit. But before I show you guys how to copy it, make sure that the coin selected is TON. You can see there, you have to confirm that. You can see there at the top, TON is selected, and the network selected is also TON. You can see there. After you're done confirming that, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to copy your TON deposit address and your TON deposit memo. So guys, now for you to do that, you have to scroll down. So let me scroll downwards now. So guys, now you can see your TON deposit address right there being encircled. So guys, now for you to copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So let me copy it right away. So guys, now you can see copy it successfully. You can see there at the top. So guys, now the next step now is to copy your TON deposit memo or your TON deposit tag. So guys, now you can see it there being encircled. So guys, now for you to copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side as well. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see copied successfully. So guys, now I've copied my TON deposit address and my TON deposit memo or tag. So guys, make sure you copy the both of them because you're going to be needing them when you're pasting them in wherever you want to go and paste it. So guys, now make sure you copy that. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to find and copy your TON deposit address on Bybit, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, see you in our next upload. Bye.